You swipe left on my heart like a Tide app. Two-step verification, but you knew the trap. Said I need space, but your timeline's packed. Our flame died quicker than a birthday snap. Your lips dripped honey with a cyanide twist. Cancelled our plans like a streaming service missed. We were Wi-Fi strong, but you switched to 5G speeds. Let me buffering in your cloud of deceit. Got me like spam mail, love was on sale. You changed the password, now I'm locked out the vault. Bad love, you just bad math. Subtract the trust.
Hey, mse bana. Leo tena unaenda wapi mse? Najua jana ulikuwa na Lucy. Leo ni Emily ama ama ndio danga.
You already know me, bro.
Hey mse. Unabadilisha wasichana hata afadhali wifi password.
Tazako bana. Yo, this is love, man. Hata tu enjoy time bado iko. Kuna hapa mbele itafika manze mtateseka. Mzee. Haya.
Hey mse, ati love. Ai. Msiwezi taka kitu inanipea stress mse. This time kitu inanipea stress.
Sinia uje kunililia baadaye. Mapenzi hawezi elewa. Mwana June. Ndio kugogo wasichana hapo. Kateseka.
Msiagopi mapenzi mse. Sawa lakini waenda lakini bora usirudia kwa nakasa.
Bad love, you just man, subtract the trust, set the lies back. Bad love, I was attacked. Your kisses got my way crawling through my tracks. Crawling through my tracks.
Zak. Hai. Hebu angalia venye Fatima na activity man. Hapo tu sawa yani. Namsema namtaka. Unajua manze you're the only one.
Really? Thank you. Napenda vile Prince hapendi mambo ya msichana.
Nani? Prince hapa? Msana kupima bana. Kuna kitu kama hiyo. Ni jaba.
Some of us just prefer peace over drama.
Something I want to tell you. I have good news for you.
Anyways. Because even now, let us just finish this. So babe, ulikuwa umesema ulikuwa unataka kuniambia nini kwanza?
Tufanyaje? Mlango alafu I'll tell you.
Sisi sikizana, you are telling me the good news na tunaanza story.
Okay, if you insist, then let me tell you.
I'm ready to hear. Bring it on.
I'm pregnant for you. I'm going to be a father.
Yes, man.
Babe, are you not happy? Serious, babe.
What do you mean you're pregnant? Ni how long?
It is now 1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
That time umekuwa ukinificha mambo ya mimba yako na sasa ndio unakuja kuniambia now.
Babe, sikuwa anajua.
Gotta be joking. Gotta be joking. Like seriously? Unajua nini? Like there's nothing to do. So the only thing unaweza fanya ni kuabort.
Babe, are you not?
Hakuna mambo ya happiness. You have to abort. Like there's a lot. If imekuja sudden mara moja, unataka je ni survive aje na bills zao mtoi sahi? I'm really responsible. You really have to abort this. Like aje. I love you, man. Nakupenda.
You only care about Emily.
You know what? I do love you, but your story about Atufanya aje. You just have to abort, whether you like it or not.
You know what? I'm going to keep this baby. I'm not going to abort it. So you and Emily, you can continue. Me and you, we are done.
Listen, babe.
We trace the stars with fingers so free. In your arms I found eternity. The laughter we shared, the tears.
Why are you not picking that call?
So you know, I don't pick unknown numbers. There may be near a client somewhere too. If focus now, okay, so don't worry. It's not much.
For client?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Mimi naenda kwa duka sasa. Unahitaji anything?
Ama ukitaka kwanza tuletea Mercedes pia ukitaka.
Acha baba. Nada, unakimbia wapi?
Oh, pole, sikuwa nimekuona. Labda yupo.
Yeah, yuko hapo. Yeah.
Napigia simu na shiki.
Hey, alikuwa na mgeni huko, alikuwa na mgeni.
Mgeni wake?
Yeah, alikuwa na beshte yake.
Oh, sawa. Mbona ushiki calls zangu?
Wewe amekuleta hapa? Unadhani nakaa peke yangu manze? I live with Prince and following the fact that unaingia hadi kwangu bila kunoka hadi mlango. Nimekuleta hapa.
I called you, I wanted us to talk about something.
Tunaongelelea nini? What are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? Tulikuwa tusha decide our matters were done. We were over. Tulikuwa tusha decide we are aborting the baby. There is no shortcut. Hakuna kitu kingine. We are done. Kama wewe mwenyewe umedecide that you wanna keep it, we keep to, but according to me, it's over.
Ulikuwa umedecide, sikuwa nimeagree. So I wanted us to talk about that one.
Look, hiyo ni decision yako wewe mwenyewe. If you want to keep the baby, just keep the baby. But mimi nimedecide we are aborting the baby, whether you like it or not. I think I'm clear.